Hello everyone, this is Hanbong Kim from GoodTask. On this video, I'll explain Task Detail page. When you select a task inside a list, task is shown in its detail page. On top, you can complete the task directly by tapping the circle. You can also edit title. Below title is status bar which shows priority, due date, and icons that describe the task. Title and status bar is fixed on top. Notes field is under the bar. You can edit notes directly with full line breaks. On iPad, you can edit it on full screen mode by tapping this button. Quick actions are shown under Notes field. Tapping quick actions will adjust task directly. You can tap it multiple times to quickly adjust values. General row shows due date, alert, recurrence rule labels, and buttons. By tapping labels, you can edit them directly. Buttons are shown when it can be edited. Completion date, start date, due date, alert, auto snooze, repeat, location, attachments can be shown. If you have location-based alert, map will be shown below. Also, if you have attachments, it will be shown one by one. You can tap attachments to view and play. Long tap will show you option to delete it. You can add photo, video, audio, and file to be attached. Location and attachments are not visible on Exchange and Outlook lists. Subtasks are at the bottom. You can add new subtasks. Long tap to drag and drop to change the order. Swipe to delete them. Paste button can be used to paste text from clipboard directly. Tapping circle button will show hide completed subtasks. Rotate button at the bottom will automatically scroll to other places if possible. Action buttons will be shown if you have URL links, phone numbers, and other accessible links. If you have more than one, more button will be added. Tapping it will let you select one. Up and down button will let you navigate through tasks right inside Task Detail page. On top, there are two more buttons. Focus button will hide quick actions and general row. You can focus on title, notes, and subtasks and do not get distracted. By tapping more button, you can share a task, change task to a list, open task in Reminders app, or delete the task. You can edit order of this page inside Settings, Appearance, Task Detail. You can also set how quick actions are shown. Hope you enjoy the app, and I wish you good health. Get it done with GoodTask. Thanks.